Hello everyone, welcome to the audio demo where I will be showcasing the difference between a normal mobile microphone and the Tonor TC30. Right now, you are listening to my voice captured with a standard microphone. As you can hear, the sound might came across as a bit flat and possibly picking up background noise. This is a kind of audio quality you would expect in everyday recordings using typical microphone devices. Now let's switch to the Tonor TC30 microphone. As you can hear, this is the voice you are hearing from the Tonor TC30. Notice the richness and clarity in the sound. This microphone captures more depth in my voice and significantly reduces background noise, providing a more professional and polished audio quality. The Tonor TC30 is perfect for podcast, streaming, and any type of voice recording where you want your voice to stand out. And there you have it, a quick demo to highlight the audio difference between a basic microphone and the Tonor TC30. If you are interested in purchasing the Tonor TC30, a link is available in the description below. Thank you for listening, and if you like my review over Tonor TC30, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share my videos. This is Smart Dev Coder signing off.